Hello trophies, welcome to 3 workouts in 1 video for you to follow along to for the September challenge. You know that you can do this challenge any month of the year. The challenge is to get on your rebounder 3 times a day for a minimum of 3 minutes. So this video is for you to follow, to get your 3 workouts in, to work your full body, jawline to feet, and to keep you on trophy track. So let's go ahead and jump into the first workout for the day. All right, trophies, it's time to get into our second workout for the day. Let's get started. We're on trophy track. All right, trophies, it's time for our third workout of the day. If you didn't know, you can print the PDF in the description box below so that you can keep track of your 3 workouts in the day, and then you can stay on track for the entire month. So let's go ahead and crush our third workout. Excellent job today, trophies. I'm so proud of you for getting all 3 workouts in. Comment below the date and your check mark so that you're staying accountable with these 3 workouts every day for this month. I'll see you tomorrow, trophies. Bye for now.